was our brother who was riding the horse, who was a Kashmiri, who was from South Kashmir. So what does it mean? Does it mean that they saw there, is he a Muslim or is he a Hindu? No. Terrorists have no religion. Unfortunately, to be honest, I feel ashamed when I saw the national media who have, I can say, the important responsibility so that they can show the accuracy, they can show the reality, they can show the truth, they can show what is going on right now. See, every single Kashmiri are on road. We are right now in front of historical clock tower, and everyone have a banner in their hand, and they are condemned the yesterday's heinous, crime. But unfortunately, Godi media, propaganda peddlers in their newsrooms, they are trying to, manipulate this while trying to, present this and it's Hindu or it's Muslim. Not at all. We are not, crying for our business. We are not crying for something else. We are trying for the humanity. We are, trying for the humanity. Whatever happened in our Kashmir, it should not happen. And the same Godi media, they should have remembered, like just 2 months before, जब यहाँ पर when heavy snow यहाँ पर बर्फबारी हुई, we are the Kashmiris who open the doors of mosques, who open the doors of our homes, who provide the hospitality to all those who were stuck in the roads. But unfortunately, those propaganda peddlers not still spare our Kashmir, and they are trying to just spread hate through the news channels, which is very unfortunate.
So I am a Hindu and I am in Kashmir right now, and it's very wrong to blame Kashmiris and give it a communal angle. क्योंकि मैं ground में खड़ा हुआ हूँ और मैं दिखा रहा हूँ आप लोग को. So please don't listen to people who are spreading hatred. This is a time.
See, we are sorry to be here. See, it's a whole handful request. From here, this is this clock tower has a history. I am just folding my hands to these propaganda peddlers. Please, not to play with the emotions of Kashmiris. In one side, we are crying for those who have lost their life. At the other side, we are crying for ourselves that whatever we people are trying to do, it's all in the vain because the propaganda peddler Godi media are still targeting us, are still trying to communalize this thing and giving a color like Hindu-Muslim. It's a handful request. Please to come out from your newsrooms. Even there is a clear message which a youth of Kashmir have given to you from here that they boycott your media. They didn't even speak to your media. Why? Because you people are trying to portray this. You people are trying to communalize this. You people are trying to create hate among in the whole country by saying like not to go Kashmir, because you people are targeting every single Kashmiri, which is completely wrong. And one day you have to answer. If right now this noble profession are downgrading in our nation, it's all because of these Godi media and propaganda peddlers. And we request to the central government, please, and it's the responsibility of the information department as well, to please check the accuracy. What do people are doing here? It's enough now. We don't have anything in our hand, but still, it's a handful request. If you can't show the reality, but still not to communalize this thing, we are crying for the humanity. We are crying for those 27 people who have lost their life, those innocents, who don't know why they were killed.
So I also want to add that if somebody is losing out here, it's the Kashmiris, because all the hotels are closed, the people are going back. There was an economy which was booming now, which is now shutting down again, and the people who are suffering the most is the Kashmiri. What's your thought about it? Can you please talk how your businesses are getting affected?
See, sir, still, I'm really sorry to say, we are not crying for the business. I'm again repeating my words. No, it hardly matters. We have already seen these things. This is not a new thing for us. Like in 2019, in 2020, we have already seen. See, we are not crying for the business. We don't need business. See, what we are doing here, what we want to convey, that we are crying for the humanity. Yes. Whatever the people, those people who have lost their life. But still, some people are there who think that they are crying for the business. Do you feel 2019 in 2020, in 2019, in 2016, in 2008, in 2000, we have seen these faces. But it happens in the first time since last 35 years that all the Kashmiris, even youth, elder people came out from their home and they protest against the heinous crime. They protest, they condemn the terror attack which happened yesterday in the Pahalgam. But see what they people are doing. Our hearts are crying. To be honest, I'm telling you. One side, we people are crying for those who have lost their life. At the other side, we people are crying for ourselves. That see how our national media, the national media of our country, how they are portray us. they are labeling us that they are not good. They are they can kill you. They can do this. They can do that. See, is this a journalism? Is this what they people have done in their life? If you want to do TRP, just you can do it on Parliament and other things. But please, not to do this on. Please.
See, Kashmiris have a reputation worldwide. We are famous worldwide for the hospitality.
Kashmiri.
Unfortunately, what has happened is this incident which has happened yesterday in Pahalgam. It has never happened in the Kashmir. What we are trying right now, see, I'm a local travel agent here. So I have not come in here, right? The brother had said, we are not coming here for the business. See, Kashmiris have a reputation worldwide that, Kashmir is as safe as Bank. I mean, you have solo travelers all over the country traveling, in the middle of the night, you will see Boulevard.
I'm a solo traveler.
You're yourself
I'm a solo traveler, yeah.
So what they have done, they're showing a bad reputation of Kashmir right now to the rest of the country. I mean, understand, we are here to condemn this barbaric attack. Responsibility lies on government as well. See, understand, Kashmir is the world's highest militarized zone. Why is it happening over now and then? And why is it that, we have to justify it? Why someone is not accountable for this? Someone has to take the ownership that why it has happened. I mean, people are coming here to Kashmir for, they want to have a good time here. But if they've been brutally killed like this, I mean, someone is killing you for fun. This is not fair. Number two, I request honestly to the Indian media that please don't, portray us that, it is like an anti-Hindu or anti-Muslim agenda. These are your hidden agendas, please. We Kashmiris love every traveler. I mean, as a traveler, if you walk on the street and if you'll just check your pockets, there will be 10 Kashmiris, they will come here. Bhaiya, kuch hua to nahi aapke saath, kuch chahiye to nahi. This is what Kashmir is. And what I'm trying to tell you, there's a loud and clear message to the rest of the country and people who want to come to Kashmir. See, please don't cancel your bookings for a reason. Why? Because if you'll cancel your booking, जो हमारे दुश्मन अनासर है, जो ये miscreate जो create किया है उन्होंने ये vacuum, they just want to tell you that Kashmir is not safe and let's hit the Kashmiri. But once you come into Kashmir, उनके मुंह के ऊपर एक करारा सा थप्पड़ दे रहे हैं हम उनको जीतने नहीं देंगे. We will not let our enemies win.
This is what they wanted.
This is exactly their hidden agenda is. आप देख लिए कश्मीर की हिस्ट्री है पिछले 30-40 साल से. How Kashmiris serve you. अगर आपको वर्ल्ड में कहीं हॉस्पिटैलिटी का एक नमूना देखना है ना, how Kashmiri they make you feel special. You could go to Europe, any other countries, but the way Kashmiris treat you, whether it's a hotelier, whether it's a houseboat wala, we have a tradition. And don't kill us for your fun. And my sincere request to the government is right now, please, do some action this time. ये ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि हो गया okay 2 दिन के बाद you'll forget things. This should not happen. And we are equally standing each and every Kashmiri here. जिन लोगों को कल इन्होंने मार गिरा है, we have no words to express how disappointed we are. हमारी घरों में कल से खाना नहीं हमने खाया है. We have come in here to give a message to the rest of the country that we are not like this. This is all pre-planned.
So what is the response now that you would want from the government to give back to these terrorists who killed the innocent people yesterday?
Give them a hard reply. Who is stopping you? I mean, see, when these incidents happen, it can happen anywhere in the world, right?
Yes.
But when these things happen, as a government, one should know who's governing the state. Over here, from last 24 hours, no one has given any, हमें कोई सुनने को मिला नहीं है what is the, action that government is doing. And besides this, if this incident has happened in the Pahalgam, why they have not cornered them? Who are these, terrorists? उनका क्या update है? Where have they gone? Overnight, they can't run away, right?
There are helicopters.
There are helicopters. And understand, brother, you are living in Kashmir. Kashmir world की सबसे ज़्यादा highly militarized zone है.
Right.
How can you be, so, neglect कैसे कर सकते हैं इस चीज़ को आप? So government से ये request है कि fast track पर जिन लोगों ने ये हरकत की है, उनको कड़ी से कड़ी सजा दी जाए, उनको फांसी दी जाए. और besides this, जो कश्मीर का एक narrative इस टाइम चल रहा है मीडिया में या इंटरनेट पर that it's between Hindus and Muslims, ये stop. Please stop this.
I want to ask you one last question. What is the impact now in one day? Because what has changed in Kashmir in one day? Because day before yesterday I was shooting and I was making travel vlogs actually. I'm not a political guy.
Okay.
And I was like, so people were celebrating the tourists. And suddenly today I see all the shops are shut and what impact is it immediately had on the tourism industry at the moment?
See, it is for obvious reasons. See, someone has lost a life, so it will obviously have an impact. But unfortunately, this impact should not be, that much that हमारे जो दुश्मन अनासर हैं वो जीत जाएं. I mean, we have come in here. We have, there's a complete shutdown in the Kashmir for a reason. ये innocent killings नहीं होनी चाहिए थी. We are here for that. But overall, impact नहीं होना चाहिए for a reason, क्योंकि अगर impact रहा कश्मीर में, if the people will restrict coming to the Kashmir, then जो ये हमारे दुश्मन अनासर है, जो चाहते थे ये कश्मीर में ऐसा disturbance रहे, they want to earn a bad reputation for Kashmir, फिर तो वो जीत जाएंगे ना सर. So that is why I'm requesting everyone who was planning to come into the Kashmir, just go ahead and don't cancel your bookings. Come down to Kashmir as Kashmiris. We assure you that you will have a safe and a secure trip, and we have a tradition. It is in our genes. ये हम इस चीज का वादा करते हैं कि जो भी टूरिस्ट यहाँ कश्मीर आएंगे, they will have a safe and secure environment here, right? That is the assurance from the people.
Thank you so much for your time.
It was a pleasure talking to you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.